Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and generate a QR code for a specific location. So I want to create a specific QR code for my restaurant. So you can use any purpose. This is the same method. So just go to google.com, then type QR code generator. Then here are lots of websites you are able to find out, but I click second one because this is very easy for use. Just URL, just paste your targeted URL here. So I paste my targeted specific location URL. You can see already generated QR code. So just click on download button, then again click on download. So just open, you can see already generated. You can see I created a QR code less than 1 minute. It's for 100% free of cost. So if you want to more video to type up, comment below. And if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.